Hello everyone and welcome to CodeStack Labs. I'm excited to launch this channel and begin this journey with all of you. Technology is evolving faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries. Cloud native applications are becoming the standard, and modern software engineering continues to redefine how we build applications. At the same time, developers face an overwhelming number of technologies, frameworks, and tools to learn. That's exactly why CodeStack Labs was created. Our mission is simple: to make complex technologies practical, understandable, and useful for developers at every stage of their careers. On this channel, we will explore topics such as artificial intelligence and generative AI, LLMs and AI agents, Java programming from fundamentals to advanced concepts, Spring Boot and enterprise application development, microservices and distributed systems, system design and software architecture, Docker, Kubernetes, and cloud technologies, REST APIs and backend development, performance optimization and best practices, real-world projects and hands-on tutorials. Whether you are a student starting your development journey, a software engineer preparing for interviews, or an experienced developer looking to stay up to date with the latest technologies, this channel is designed for you. What makes CodeStack Labs different is our focus on practical learning. We won't just discuss theory. We'll build applications, we'll design systems, we'll solve real engineering problems. We'll explore how technologies work under the hood and understand the architecture decisions behind them. The goal is to help you become not just a programmer, but a better software engineer. Over the coming weeks and months, you can expect in-depth tutorials, step-by-step guides, architecture decisions, and practical projects, and you can use in your own learning and professional work. If these are the kinds of topics that interest you, consider subscribing and joining the CodeStack Labs community. Thank you for being here from the very beginning. This is just the start of an exciting journey, and I am looking forward to learning and building together with all of you. Welcome to CodeStack Labs. Let's build the future, one stack at a time.